All right, everyone, now that we got this dump out of the freaking way on BTC, nice bounce, nice recovery. This is the move that we were looking for over here. We were short for it here, got this BS wave and then dumped. It is what it is. But we got the move. We got the move, guys. I'm going to show you what I'm looking at next overall on BTC. We're going to be level-headed with this. We're going to be clear. I'm going to show you what I'm looking for. Spoiler alert, I'm looking to take all-time high out. I also have a structure on Ethereum that is leading, I can see a big pump coming on Ethereum. I'm just going to say that right now. It's on the charts. Guys, no shit. Hey, listen, we can keep dumping. We can keep dumping. I'm not here to say that we're 100% popping up to all-time high. I give you my primary counts. That's all I do. I give you my primary scenarios. All right? So, this is Elliott wave theory, guys. Make sure before we get into this. Oh, also, I have right now setting up actually on the smaller time frames. I have a trade, so I'm going to show you guys this trade setting up to hopefully catch, if you aren't long already, to catch the rest of this move up to all-time high. So stick with me. And Ethereum's chart is super important. I don't think anyone else is looking at Ethereum like this, but Chart Junkies is. So let's go. Make sure, if you don't know Elliott wave theory, guys, watch the free boot camp. It's pinned in the first comment down below. Just join the free Discord that's pinned in the first comment down below. Free 3-hour Elliott wave boot camp. You get an overview of how I trade. Also, make sure you check out the premium Discord, access to all my trades, live streams, all that good stuff. Just click upgrade here in the free Discord. There's the link. You get a 4-day free trial. You get it free for 4 days. So come on in and give it a try. I don't even know what you're waiting for on that. All right, let's go. So for BTC, guys, real quick, just to recap. I was looking at this entire top structure as a correction down. We were looking for a correction up, still channeling and then impulsing down. This is our entire correction, and then we go for our high, right? That's how we were looking at this wave structure. Things have changed. And the reason for that change is because Ethereum actually plummeted. But I will say, altcoins, shitcoins, meme coins needed this. There's too much amateurs in the market. We needed an absolute sweep of liquidity. We got that sweep on this. I'm just showing you Ethereum, but you can look at any of your alts. They actually died. So much needed. I think we are primed for an absolute reversal pump up out of here, guys. On Ethereum going to attack all-time high, and we will go over that structure in one moment. Let's just focus on BTC though. So with Ethereum dumping that low, how I'm looking at this right now for BTC is, this right here, this pump was a fifth wave of a more minor degree. We are just consolidating here for another correction, going to give us another fifth wave of a more major degree, right? So 3, 4, 5, another 4 or 5, right? As we zoom out, and I'm going to make this make sense. Give me 1 second. This is a 3. So essentially we have 1, 2. Here's your 3. There you go. 4, 5. This is your intermediate impulse. I still have a 1, 2 right here. 1, 2. All of this is your 3 of that. And then this is your 4, 5. So 1, 2, all this is 3, 4, 5. Just a series of 4, 5s we're looking at here. This pump coming up, hey, 115, 120, looks good. Let's go take it out. This could pump higher, sure. I wouldn't risk it, guys, and I would urge you to really think about offloading. This is not financial advice, just my opinion. If we get another break, okay? If we are blessed with another break. Guys, no shit, this can keep dumping to the downside, correct, and we could just be entering a bear market here. Yes, it's a possibility. But I give you my primary situation, my primary scenario here in the trades that I'm looking to take. Now, zoomed in on this, we could be finished. It looks like a nice zigzag structure. The wave structure in here, again, with this wave was nasty, it was shitty, and then this dump. We were short from right here. I was looking for this move right here. If we were watching this channel, I wanted to see 4, 5. I wanted to see this. We were short for it. We obviously took profit in here. Closed the trade out right here once we saw this kind of pumping up. So, made money on that short nonetheless. But damn, I wanted this big move. Ended up getting it right here, right? It was just a weird structure. So, yes, we can be done. We hit fib targets on this ABC, and we could be hitting to the upside. Beautiful bounce. I do want to urge you, or warn you that we can have an A, B, C right here. Looking to put in a WXY, so another correction here. Impulse, maybe if you see something like this, I would be expecting another hit to the lows here, right? Maybe even sweep this again, and putting in just simply a W, X, Y pattern. Still a zigzag, but just a double correction instead of it being a correction finished. You know, this pump looks quite promising, but if I see some type of correction in here like this, if I see, you know, a pattern like this and we swing fail and we start coming down, yes, I'm going to be looking for this WXY. I'm going to be looking for another sweep down here. Let's take liquidity down at like 88, and then let's pump, right? So those are a couple things I'm looking at, you know, overall for the structure. We're going to go smaller time frame in 1 second, but let's skip over to ETH. We're going to look at ETH's wave structure and how we can attack all-time high before we go smaller time frame. Stick with me, guys. We do all our trading over on Blowfin and BitUnix. They're both no KYC exchanges. These are the best no KYC exchanges out right now, guys. Blowfin is who I trust the most. They're my main exchange. The cleanest, the simplest to use, super comfortable, the best exchange out in my opinion. BitUnix is second best. They have lower fees for you. Pin in the first comment down below. Definitely try them both. Check them out. But I hooked you up with deposit bonuses and trading bonuses, and then also you get VIP 2 on BitUnix, which is 15% off their trading fees. So that's why I do promote them. A little bit lower fees for you guys. I'm going to pull up the promotions on the screen right now so you can take a look at what you get with those links. Here's BitUnix. You get trading volume bonuses. You also get the deposit bonuses, up to $1,000 deposit bonus, $500 trading volume bonuses, VIP 2 15% fee discount. Here's Blowfin. Pause the screen. Also, massive deposit bonuses, massive trading volume bonuses. These are the two best links you can get right now. I annoy these exchanges for the best links. So check them out. Give them a try. Let's hop on over to Ethereum. So for Ethereum, guys, what I'm really looking for, we're holding this trend line, bouncing off this trend line. That's what's happening here. That's what's happening here. What I am looking for overall, big picture around the weekly time frame. Keep that in mind. You know, we'll crack down to smaller time frames, but I'm looking for a diagonal shape to form. Guys, if this is not a diagonal, this is very bearish, okay? I'm going to say that right now. If this is not a diagonal, you want this to be a diagonal. If it is not, it is a corrective wave, and we are putting in this type of corrective action, and this is just the start of a monster dump right back down here, okay? So if you are going to argue against this diagonal wave, then you are quite literally saying, this is a correction, Alex. We're finished. We're absolutely plummeting down here. Okay? Those are your only two options here, in my opinion. We're not going to entertain that. We're going to say Ethereum, there's no way we're not going to take an all-time high on Ethereum, right? Right. Okay, so let's go up to all-time high. How are we going to do that? This is going to be a diagonal. Diagonal is a leading or an ending wave for Elliott wave theory people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stick with me. I'm just drawing this in real quick so we have it. Each wave of these 5 waves is going to be comprised of a correction. So here we have a correction up. There's 1. Correction down. There's our 2. 1, 2. Put in. Correction up. There's 3. Correction down. There's 4. 3, 4. Put in. So we're looking for a correction up for wave 5, and this correction, in my opinion, is a flat. We have a correction up, we have a correction down that tickled the low. I mean, we can even break the low. I think we did break the low. I don't know. It doesn't matter when you're in a flat. Correction up, correction down that tickles or breaks the low, and then we get a massive impulsive wave to the upside. You're just going to simply pull fibs like so, right? Boom. Coming up here into our fib box. I really would be targeting just to break it all-time high. I don't want to get too crazy. 5K. I think at least, we're coming past the 1 fib. I would want to see it come past the 1 fib. So at least 4,700 if we're not going to break all-time high. But really 5K is what I'm looking at. This can be our finishing corrective move to the upside. Finishing out this diagonal. This is what I am looking for, guys. Are we finished here? I would like to think so. As I crank down to smaller time frames, we're on the 12-hour now. Yeah, guys, at the end of the day, we're in the fib box beautifully. This is correction down, correction up, correction down, WXY. If you've been watching this channel, you know I was looking for a variation of this. I wanted to see liquidity snagged here before we got this move. I was targeting the 1-to-1. This absolutely dumped way harder than I could have ever expected, but the structure was still there. This was the structure I was looking for. This was the structure we got. You can't even argue it. It's there. Let's see this thing pump. All right, let's hop on over to BTC, and we're gonna go smaller time frames. And check out what we have cooking here. Now again, this exact trade is playing an impulsive structure to the upside, right? How I can get that with current price action, is we have some type of a nasty, it looks corrective here, but I'm going to call this a 1 into a 2. We have another 1. We're going to correct down maybe into this fair value gap right here for another 2, maybe around 97.6K, and then 3, 4, 5 is coming. I'm going to fix this in 1 second. Essentially, we're going to need this trend line to hold, guys. That's really the only qualifications for a 1, 2, 1, 2. This is a second 1, 2, right? 3, 4, 5. I'll make this more minor degree. Stick with me 1 second, guys. Stick with me 1 second. You're watching this real time. This is not a drill. We're gonna have this 5-wave come up to 120. That's what was looking good to us, right? So we'll do 118. Screw it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right there. So this is the wave structure that you're looking to play. If this is the pump to the upside, if there's no shenanigans that are going to get pulled, if we are pumping to the upside right now, this is the shot you are taking, in my opinion. I'm going to take a little stab here. I'm going to take a shot here because why not? You know, if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. But I'm looking to catch a monster wave here. If we can catch it now, great. If this wants to keep playing around, put in a corrective wave and then come down for one more low, who cares, right? Who cares, right? I'm taking the shot here because the risk reward is there. You know, essentially, we're going to be playing a corrective move to the downside right in this fair value. We're coming down right now. So, you know, your position is going to be somewhere in here. Stop loss somewhere in here. Big TP on it. I mean, the risk reward on that's a 13.5, right? If you're taking 13.5 RR trades, you're going to come out on top. That's the trade setup right there, guys. I hope you learned something from this video. Like the video if you did. Hey, follow me on Instagram. It's pinned in the first comment down below. Follow me on Instagram. 500 followers. I'm dropping my face. You will see my face on the gram. Drop a follow. Let's connect on a more personal level. Sign up for Blowfin, BitUnix, give them a try. They're the best 2 exchanges. I'll see you over in the premium Discord. Trade safe, you sexy son of a bitches. I love you. Bye.